to November. Ooh, a little snow on the trail. Huh. I don't think it snowed here, at least in a couple weeks, but that must just be the leavings. The trail's, yeah, frozen. It's below freezing, or has been mostly. I'm on the slopes of Mount McLaughlin, very low slopes. That was that conic volcano. Been seeing really since Ashland. I'm down like 6,000 feet. The peak is like 9,000 feet, so I'm kind of skirting the lower areas here. Yeah, I'm just really trying to get to a place here that today that I can get to, from which I can make it almost all the way, or maybe even into Crater Lake National Park the following day. Water's continuing to be a problem. The Guthooks app crowdsourcing said where I camped last night, oh yeah, it's a stream, it's gushing, it's regular stream. No, it's completely dry. So I had enough water. I'm learning to carry more water, but wow, carrying a couple extra liters, that's 4.4 pounds just to make an overnight, and then have several miles to go in the morning. So I have about a quarter of a liter maybe left, and I have 3 miles and something to go to a lake. So it's going to be lake water, and it's like half a mile down to the lake from the trail. So more deviations just to get water. Turning out to be a surprisingly dry stretch, at least this time of the year. But the weather continues to hold. Clear skies. Yeah, it's around freezing, definitely below freezing at night. But it's not snowing, it's not freezing rain. It's pretty pleasant, except when you get going in the morning. It's like, my fingers are cold. I gotta put on my toe socks. Feeling sorry for yourself. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at today. Just another day, kind of a lot like yesterday. Trail's pretty evenly graded. I don't have the miles and miles of talus fields that I had yesterday, but continuing on. So I've been hiking along today. The trail here isn't rugged or anything. One thing that does make it a little challenging, however, I'm just going to see if I can show this to you. It just kind of looks like mud, but you see all the pockets in there. This is actually ice. This is needle ice, and so step on it. Sometimes it's kind of easy on the feet, but when it's this high, you can crunch right on through and trip yourself, or kind of twist an ankle a little bit. So not as fast going as I otherwise would have had if this were, a month earlier or something like that. But it is what it is. I've hiked on a lot of needle ice this year. This is some of the thickest needle ice, though, that I've been in. I think it's sort of been growing for some days now. It might be a couple inches in depth in a lot of places. So moving on, I've got to change my watch tomorrow morning. Doesn't make much difference to me because I'm pretty much, get hiking when it's light and hike till it's dark or maybe afterwards. So it's just a matter of what is on my watch, not the number of hours in a day. Great sunset here tonight through the trees. Beautiful.